Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear ChatGPT memory, and this is very useful if you want to reset what is remembered about you, especially since the new updates allow you to store information you share for better response. So here's an example. You can see that right here ChatGPT has remembered something I told it earlier. So if you want to remove that or just check everything it has stored, here's what you need to do. You have to click on this your profile icon at the top left corner, then select your settings and then go to your personalization, and here you can see in the memory section, if you want reference saved memory, you can let ChatGPT save and use memories while responding. So I have turned it on, and if you want you can let ChatGPT reference recent conversation when responding as well. Now if you want to manage memory, click on this manage, and here you will see what ChatGPT tries to remember about a recent chat, and it may forget things over time. So if you want to delete this one, just delete others thing, click on this delete all and then select clear memory. Once you do that, it will completely wipe it out for you. Just confirm it and that's it. I hope this video helped you out. So like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.